Hey, welcome to my channel where I'll show you how to create images with just an AI. So, if you are ready to start creating images online for free, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Let's get started. Nowadays, each and every laptop has Windows 10 or 11 installed, which is very handy for us in our today's video. All the Windows 11 or 10 operating systems have Microsoft Edge, and that is the default browser for it. Yeah, it's true that this browser is improving from day to day and impressing us with more friendly interface and easily usage. In the latest update of Microsoft Edge, they have changed the name of Bing Chat to Copilot, which is a new generation of artificial intelligence. We can guess from this that Copilot is more complex, can do more things than Bing Chat did. Actually, we are not incorrect. This new tool of Microsoft Edge is gonna make you go crazy. Without talking about it, let's see it in real action. Copilot uses GPT-4 to answer your any questions in 3 modules. You can choose between any of them: creative, balanced, and precise. Let's see what it can do. It can write essays for you like the ChatGPT 3.5 does, but it can get the real-time answers from the internet. For example, you want to know about a certain YouTube channel, you just write it for Copilot, and it gives all the information. This new Copilot can also control your Microsoft Edge browser. You write comments like change the theme of the browser and it will do it instead of you. Now for the moment you have waited for long. I won't be mistaken if I tell you that now it can generate images for free of charge. You do not have to pay. It's powered by DALLE. So that's handy here is that you can ask from Copilot while you are browsing. Let's ask Copilot to create an image of a person who is sitting in front of a laptop and watching YouTube videos. Now, you'll need to wait a bit, but it won't take that long seconds like Leonardo.ai or Midjourney does. Here you can see the result. Perfect images with no mistakes, apart from the one that has a YouTube logo behind the laptop. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any of my future videos, where I'll show you more of the technology. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!